Mrs. Guest of Honor and Speaker, Sir, our esteemed District Pastor, Alfredo de la Torre, Sir, our dear teachers, headed by our respected principal, Mrs. Nelsie de Vera, loving parents, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, greetings of peace, love, and joy on this beautiful day. Today, our hearts are overwhelming with joy and satisfaction. For now, we have attained the glory to one of our aspirations in life, our graduation day. And as a proof of our victory, we will be receiving our certificate and medals as evidence of our struggles in the attainment of such. We look back to our first grade to sixth grade and see how beautiful and memorable the years have been. They are full of memories with the fun and laughter with classmates. The joys and pain we had together shall never be forgotten. Loving teachers, we are so glad for your being very kind and supportive during our long stay with you. Thank you for molding us in the best way you could. Thank you for feeding our minds with knowledge and wisdom. We cannot forget that we owe this to you. For this, we commend our teachers whose untiring efforts molded us into what we are now. To our understanding principal, Mrs. Nelsie Estelera, I salute you for your personal guidance and meritorious endeavor in shaping us to the persons we ought to be. Likewise, to our dear parents, thank you for the great care and concern in sending us to school. We cannot repay you, but we promise to be ever true and sincere in our studies. Special mention to my parents, Mr. and Mrs. Rivera, Papa, Mama, salamat sa pagmamahal at pagsasakripisyo ninyo. Matugunan lamang ang aking pangangailangan. Bilang pasasalamat ko sa inyo, nais kong ialay sa inyo ang karangalang aking tatanggapin sa hapon ito. Bagaman, sa huling taon ko sa elementarya, nabigo ako na makuha ang nililiti kong pangalan. Subalit, masaya ako at lubos ang pasasalamat sa Diyos sa pangunawang ipinaramdam ninyo sa akin. Kayo ang aking inspirasyon. At di ko rin makakalimutang pasalamatan si Mama Jane at ang aking lolo at lolo. Mr. and Mrs. Restituto Rivera, simula pa lang ng una kong pagyapak sa paralang ito, ay nariyan po kayo na laging sumusuporta sa akin. Thank you for teaching me that success is measured not by the number of awards received, but by the hard work done to achieve it. Today is just the beginning of our journey. We still have a long way to go to prepare ourselves for greater work and responsibilities in a more challenging future. My experience in sixth grade won't be a discouragement that will hinder me in achieving my goals, but rather a greater motivation to become tough, face obstacles, challenges, and uncertainties. To my fellow members of this batch 2015, whose camaraderie I've enjoyed and will always cherish, my warmest congratulations. Let us promise to continue to study hard and study diligently and to grow with good character. To our dear alma mater, San Felipe Adventist Multigrade School, our unending love, we promise them that whatever we will be and wherever we shall be, your name will always ring in our hearts, for you are the force that pushed us beyond. Whatever laurels we will achieve, we will offer them back to you. To Almighty God, we praise you by whispering a solemn promise to dedicate our lives to you by serving you with faith and love. May you give us more courage to continue our journey to the top of our goals. On behalf of the graduating class, the faculty members, and the school as a whole, we welcome you with open hearts. Please stay long and bear with us until the end of this program so you will know how far we have gone. Welcome everyone and see the greatness we have done. Pray God and His wisdom guide us and bless us. Thank you at magandang buhay.